Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Grey, gloomy skies and outbreaks of rain for most of us during the next few days. Showers for many, more prolonged wet weather for some parts of the UK. The focus initially, the southwestern quadrant of Britain, because that's where low pressure is churning up areas of cloud and outbreaks of rain. We saw some lively showers early in the day for the southern half of England and Wales, but it's turning more to prolonged rain, essentially. Midlands, Wales, southwest England, some heavy bursts there as well. So a wet afternoon to come here and dribs and drabs of rain elsewhere. You can see where they are on the map. A lot of cloud cover, some breaks in the cloud for the southeast, East Anglia and the northwest of Scotland where it stays dry. But most places will be grey and it's not going to feel very pleasant. However, temperatures a degree or so less cold compared to recent days. Into Friday evening, more wet weather to come for northern England into Wales and the southwest. A break initially and then further heavy rainfall coming in for the rest of the night time. And outbreaks of rain spread their way north to affect parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. The rain tending to be on and off the further north you are, with some breaks in the cloud for, say, western Scotland. But most places, because of the cloud, because of the breeze, temperatures not that much different compared to Friday afternoon as we start off the weekend. But it is a wet start to the weekend. East Anglia into parts of North Midlands, Northern England, Wales and the southwest, South Wales and the southwest of England, a particular focus for heavy rain through Saturday morning and following Friday's wet weather and into Saturday. Well, some places really accumulating a lot of rainfall, the higher ground of South Wales and Devon in particular. Could see as much as 40 to 50 mils. So risk of localised flooding, yellow warning in force here. Then as we head through the day on Saturday, the rainfall becomes more showery across southern parts of Britain, basically from northern England southwards. But you can see how the attention then turns to the far northeast of England, into much of eastern Scotland. That's where the rain will set in for the second half of Saturday. And with outbreaks of rain also heading into western Scotland as well as Northern Ireland. Essentially, it's rain on and off for virtually everyone, but with the persistence of the wet weather for parts of northeast England into eastern Scotland, again, a yellow warning in force here for the second half of Saturday and into Sunday. The far north of Scotland seeing some drier weather for a time, but it's the northeast of Scotland, Caithness, Tayside, Aberdeenshire, Angus, Fife, where the rainfall will be particularly heavy and prolonged, and 80 mils possible over some of the wetter spots, risk of flooding again. That weather front moves through eventually, but it is slow moving across the far north of Scotland as we start off Sunday. More wet weather to come for northeast mainland as well as the Northern Isles, and some strong winds accompanying that. It slowly dries up elsewhere. There will be a few more showers. There'll be a lot of cloud cover and some mist and murk. Some breaks in the cloud for East Anglia in the southeast, but for the southwest as well as for South Wales, a deterioration again. Heading into Sunday afternoon, more wet and windy weather on the way. So there'll be some gaps in the rain through the weekend, particularly for many central parts of the UK on Sunday. And if you want to make the most of those breaks in the rain, of course, you can follow us on social media. You can download the Met Office app and find out when's best to stay dry. Bye-bye.